Hello, welcome to U.S. Immigration Updates. As part of our U.S. Immigration Learning Series, today we will talk about the Employment Authorization Document, EAD, or Work Permit for United States. The Employment Authorization Document, EAD, commonly known as Work Permit, is a legal document issued by the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, in the form of a credit card that allows foreign nationals to work in the United States. The card contains a photograph of the individual and sometimes his or her fingerprint. The applicants are required to apply Form I-765 to obtain a EAD card from USCIS. In this video, we will know what defines Employment Authorization Document, EAD, why it is important and what is the significance of this in your U.S. immigration journey. If you are interested in any of these topics, please stick around till the end of this video for your immigration updates. If you are liking this video, please hit the subscribe button, like this video and click the bell icon so that you can receive the notification for any new updates. Now, let's get into the video. U.S. employers must check to make sure all employees, regardless of citizenship or national origin, are allowed to work in the United States. Having an Employment Authorization Document, Form I-766, EAD, is one way to prove that you are allowed to work in the United States for a specific time period. All individuals who are not a United States citizen or a permanent resident may need to apply for an Employment Authorization Document, EAD, to prove they may work in the United States. USCIS issues employment authorization documents as proof that you are allowed to work in the United States for a specific period of time or while you have a specific immigration status. Once the specified time is about to over, applicant needs to renew an EAD if he/she wants to continue to work in United States. One cannot file for a renewal EAD more than 120 days before the original EAD expires. The applicant can apply to replace a lost, stolen, or mutilated EAD. A replacement EAD can also replace an EAD issued with incorrect information, such as a misspelled name. Now let's find out who are eligible to apply and must apply for Employment Authorization Document, EAD, if you want to work in United States. You will need to apply for an EAD if you are authorized to work in the United States because of your immigration status. For example, you are an asylee, refugee, or non-immigrant, and need evidence of that employment authorization, or you will need to apply for an EAD if you are required to apply for permission to work. In other words, you need to request employment authorization itself. For example, number 1. You have a pending Form I-485, application to register permanent residence or adjust status. Number 2. You have a pending Form I-589, application for asylum and for withholding of removal. Number 3. You have a non-immigrant status such that allows you to be in the United States but does not allow you to work in the United States without first seeking permission from USCIS, such as an F1 or M1 student. You do not need to apply for an EAD if you are a lawful permanent resident. Your green card, Form I-551, permanent resident card, is evidence of your employment authorization. You also do not need to apply for an EAD if you have a non-immigrant visa that authorizes you to work for a specific employer. For example, you have an H-1B, L-1B, O, or P visa. I hope you found this video helpful. You can browse our channel for more learnings on other various topics that are used in U.S. immigration process, or let us know in comments if you want to know about any specific term. U.S. Immigration Updates channel is dedicated to provide every information, visa processes that are required for your U.S. immigration journey. It is important to know about the United States immigration processing steps, visa application requirements, processing times, forms, fees and more. We will continue to provide every information for U.S. visitor visas such as B1 and B2, work visas such as L1A, L1B, H1B, student visas, green card, immigrant visa, EB1, EB2, EB3, EB4, EB5 and family-based immigrant visas. Thank you for visiting us today. We will see you in next video. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel for more videos on U.S. immigration updates.